To begin assembly of your instant foundation, unwrap parts and place on floor. Fasten the side brace and foot brace together using bolts and nuts. Repeat on the 3 remaining corners. Fasten the center side brace to the foot brace. When completely assembled, tighten all nuts with the enclosed wrench. Place the bed slats into the notched area on the sides of the foundation. Screw the slats down using the enclosed wood screws. Please note the screwdriver is not included. Unfold the cover and place over wood foundation. Cover fits tightly over the wood foundation and is ready to place on your bed frame.
Why shop at Amazon? Well, it's certainly one of the most convenient places to shop given the fact that it's the world's largest online retailer, but also because it offers free 2-day shipping for Amazon Prime members and it's offering deals in a number of categories that most of its competition can't match. Get ready to seize the massive discounts and deals on various categories such as mobiles, electronics, laptops, home appliances, televisions and many more. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel.